My boss said, Clyde, you need some rest. You look run down, you seem so stressed. I told him why I look half dead. A monster lives under my bed. The guys at work think I'm insane. A story like mine, they say, is all in my brain. I tell them it's not all in my head. A monster lives under my bed. And when the night has started to fall, I just don't need a nightlight at all, because its eyes, they glow so red. A monster lives under my bed. The monster growls all through the night, and I'm too tired to put up a fight. It makes less noise when it's well fed. A monster lives under my bed. The next door neighbor told me to stop, quit making noise or she'll call a cop. It's not my fault is what I said. A monster lives under my bed. Under my bed. Under my bed.